Hello, this is Christy. A small update from Riverside today. There is a feature that was added in the recording studio that helps you smooth your skin, change your lighting, and improve your appearance in the recording stage. So this is one reason what some of my clients were saying about switching from Zoom to Riverside for recording, because Zoom had that feature where they would improve your appearance or smooth your skin. Well, some of that stuff now is available in Riverside. Let me show you how it works. You need to go into your recording studio for this. It's only available in recording studio, but I'm hearing great hints that maybe it's going to be also added in post-processing. So you can do these things after recording. That would be great. So if you go into a project here, I'm in my studio and I go to record, this is going to open my studio. You can see the new redesigned studio entering screen where you can change your settings and stuff like this. And this feature that I'm talking about today is already available in this particular screen. If you go here in the top right where it says effects, if you turn this on, you have this side panel here, which was there before with the background. You can blur your background and do all these, change your background to an image, even an image you upload. But in the appearance tab, this is the new tab here, and I'm going to zoom in just to see better. So touch up here is one thing, smooth your skin. Now, I have pretty good skin, but I guess, if you turn that on, it will likely show that it's a little delayed. The video itself is a bit delayed now, if you can notice this. But the skin is it has a setting, it says subtle or smooth. And this one is a stronger improvement, I suppose. Then you have face lighting, which my preview here is it's quite well lit, I suppose, but you can see how the background gets a bit darker right there and the face is lit differently. And then finally, you've got the studio lighting, which has a slider, and it's almost like your lights get brighter. If you turn this up like this, you can see how the light is improving right there. And you can even go lower if you want to. That's too dark. So there you go. Once you're in the studio, though, I'm going to click Join Studio now, and these effects are already applied, but you can also change them from inside the studio here. All you need to do is just hover the video area, and again, there's this button here, Effects, and you can see this one that I already activated. I maybe turn on the face lighting and also the touch-up right there. I think it looks good. It's nothing super dramatic. I guess it's most visible when you have a lower resolution camera, maybe bad lighting. This one seems to look nice for me. I can see that my face is a little smoother, but other than that, and the heat, it's fine. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And I will be back soon with even more updates and new features added to Riverside. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time.